A Manu and his wife are like Adam and Eve, and from them the universe is repopulated. As explained above, a Manu lives for approximately 305,300,000 years, and after his death and a minor devastation, another Manu takes his place. After 14 consecutive Manus, a different type of destruction occurs, a major destruction of the universe. Since Lord Brahma has awoken and started his new day, 7 Manus have passed. Currently, we are the descendants of the 7th Manu. His name is Shradadeva, the son of the predominating deity of the sun planet. Srila Goswami said,
"The present Manu, who is named Shradadeva, is the son of Vivasvan, the predominating deity on the sun planet. Shradadeva is the 7th Manu."
Srimad Bhagavatam 8:13-1. Since this new day of Lord Brahma, 7 Manus have passed. The 7 Manus are 1. Swayambhavu Manu, 2. Swarosisha Manu, 3. Uttama Manu, 4. Tamasa Manu, 5. Raivata Manu, 6. Chakshusha Manu, 7. Vaivasvata Manu. See purport Srimad Bhagavatam 3.1.5. Almost all the Manus selected to rule the Manvantaras come from the family of Maharaj Priyavarta.
It should also be noted that all Vedic sciences have to redescend or be retaught each Manvantara. The following will illustrate how the Gita descended this Manvantara.
In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said, Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna said, I instructed this imperishable science of yoga to the sun god, Vivaswan. And Vivaswan instructed it to Manu, the father of mankind. And Manu in turn instructed it to Ishvaku. Bhagavad Gita 4.1. In the beginning of the millennium, known as Treta Yuga, this science of the relationship with the Supreme was delivered by Vivaswan to Manu. Manu, being the father of mankind, gave it to his son Maharaj Ishvaku, the king of this earth planet and forefather of the Raghu dynasty, in which Lord Ramchandra appeared. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita existed in human society from the time of Maharaj Ishvaku. See Mahabharata, Santi Parva, 348, 51, 52. A rough estimate is that the Gita was spoken at least 120,400,000 years ago and remained in human society until 2 million years ago when it was lost. It was re-spoken by the Lord again to Arjuna about 5,000 years ago. It is a rough estimate of the history of the Gita according to the Gita itself and according to the version of the speaker, Lord Sri Krishna. It was spoken to the sun god Vivaswan because he was also a Kshatriya and is the father of all Kshatriyas who are descendants of the sun god or the Surya Vamsha Kshatriyas. The Surya Vamsa Kshatriyas were continued with the birth of Manu's 10 sons.
It should also be noted that new demigods have to be chosen in each Manvantara. The following is an explanation of the demigods of Vivasvata Manvantara.
In this Manvantara, the Advaitas, the Vasus, the Rudras, the Vishwadevas, the Maruts, the 2 Ashram Kumara brothers, and the Ribhus are the demigods. Their head king, Indra, is Purandara. See Srimad Bhagavatam 8:13-4. During Brahma's day, 14 Manus exist, one after the other. During the life of a Manu, 1,000 yugas pass. There are 4 types of yugas: Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Kali Yuga.
The duration of the Satya millennium equals 4,800 years of the demigods. The duration of the Devi Paramillennium equals 2,400 years, and that of the Kali millennium is 1,200 years of the demigods.
Srimad Bhagavatam 3:11-19. As forementioned, 1 year of the demigods is equal to 360 years of the human beings.
We should understand that Satya Yuga is therefore 360 times 4,800 or 1,728,000 human years. That Treta Yuga is 360 times 3,600 or 1,296,000 human years. That Dwapara Yuga is 360 times 2,400 or 864,000 human years, and Kali Yuga is 360 times 1,200 or 432,000 human years. These 4 yugas together make up 4,320,000 human years. I represent these 4 yugas, each small square here. We have passed 27 in Vivasvata, so we are graphically represented here by this dark square.
The 4 yugas together are called a Karta Yuga. There are 71 Karta Yugas in the lifetime of Manu, and 14 Manus equal 1 day of Brahma, or 1 kalpa. The current kalpa is called Svetavaraha Kalpa, or the white boar.
So what have we learned? 1. During the time Lord Brahma experiences a day or his awake period, we would have experienced 4,320,000,000 years. 2. Each Manu only lives 305,300,000 of our Earth years. This period of time is called a Manvantara. 3. During Brahma's day and every day after recreation, repopulation is accomplished by 14 separate consecutive manas. 4. With each new Manu there is appointed a new Indra, new demigods and new 7 sages. All the Vedic sciences have to be retaught. 5. Satya, Treta, Dwapara and Kali are the types of yugas, the time periods that continuously repeat. 1 cycle is called a Katyur Yuga, or 4,320,000 year time period. 6. There are 1,000 Katyur Yugas in a day of Brahma's life.